Okay, guys, let's go. So it's 2:30 a.m. and I see people walking around. Me going for a bike ride. Slightly foggy. But an amazing climate to drive. When you take break from a night ride, it's been like a few days. I took a break from the night rides. I wasn't keeping well, so I took a break. Coming back feels really nice. This metro sections, the sound of this is really good. I'm not sure how much wind noise is coming, but for me it sounds really nice. And you guys would have seen the last video. I'm trying out few color grading. It's the first time that I'm trying in Adobe Premiere. So yeah, I will continue on that. That's something that I'm learning. So with each video edit that I will be putting into YouTube, I think it should be getting better. I finally got a mail from the Honda showroom asking the details. I basically got a mail from the warranty manager asking the mileage details, how much the vehicle has driven, what kind of roads I have driven in, how is my usage pattern like. So I'll keep you guys posted what is the status of it. I hope I get it. So the entire Bangalore traffic is back, so you can see it in my auto. So earlier it was showing around 340 for a full tank. Now it's dropped to nearly 240. 237. Yep. So there's a lot of stop and go traffic. During night rides, you really have to appreciate the drivers have really nice stickers in their rear. The moment I flash, it's very reflective. And yeah, not all, but most of them have it. It's really nice. So when the other side is completely on beam light, it's literally blind, can't see. So the smartest thing to do, ideally, to stay on the leftmost lane and slow down. I've got really nice comments about the exhaust sound. I even got few comments saying that upgrade exhaust for Dolby Digital. So I was just wondering, should I change the exhaust? It's just too much work and too much avoiding police and things like that, right? I know people, most of the superbikes have it. Police is also aware of it. And most of them drive really responsible. Not to drop rev bombs or drive hard in city limits, but that small percentage of people who disturb everyone in traffic, they remove the debugger and it's really loud. I wish it was illegal in India as well. I think in US it's legal to change. In India you can't change anything. You can't even paint without informing the RTO, right? You can put stickers with the base color. Let's go. The truck was really not visible. So it's just 24 more kilometers to 5K. Nice. Oh, it's closed. Just trying to recall which road is this. Ah, nice. I'll go right here. So there is a Empire in MG Road. My God, these potholes are a menace. So yeah, as I was saying, there is a Empire in Church Street. Let's see if we're lucky on that. I think Xavier, my bike, even with the stock, the sound is so sweet. Get so many public reactions. Should get that Insta 360 installed. Suddenly someone takes a U-turn and I'm just cooked. Let's go. 5,000. I really doubt. I think those. Yeah. Oh, that scared me. Oh shit. No waffles. That dog. No shit there. sweeping. Which is the next one? HSR. Come on. HSR should have it. Is shawarma that hard of a thing to get? That's it. I think I'm not getting anything. So let's go home. That's better. So we didn't get the shawarma. We just got the tea. Just came back. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.